It's Thursday, the 14th of April, and here are your headlines. South Africa's new tender regulator has shut down an irregular prisons deal worth 378 million rand. The bloated contract was for an updated IT system. The Chief Procurement Officer, or CPO, has instructed prisons boss Zach Modise to look into the deal. And National Treasury, a department up from the CPO, has told Modise to cancel the contract. A 3-year-old boy born in a Mozambican jail has been united with his South African family. The boy's mother was jailed for drug trafficking in 2013. He was born while his mother was incarcerated and has lived with her until now. She is serving a 12-year prison sentence, and the boy will live with his family in the Free State. And finally, girls in sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia have an ally in United States First Lady Michelle Obama. Obama is campaigning for girls' access to quality education. She spoke at the launch of a $2.5 billion school campaign at the World Bank. The funding will go to facilities and scholarships for young women. For more on these stories, go to news24.com.